Hello, welcome to today's mini Mawvelous Mudra. Today's mudra is the Surabhi Mudra, and it is known as the hand gesture of wish fulfillment. So we know that yoga hand postures can link the body through conscious breath and invite some meditation into your life. This particular Surabhi Mudra will help stimulate your solar plexus or third chakra. And the third chakra is known to be related to creativity and self-confidence. So this is a really fun hand posture. I love the ones that are a little bit more intricate, and this one's more intricate for sure. So you would practice it for maybe 1 to 2 minutes just to start. What we do is we connect our left ring finger with our right pinky, our right ring finger with our left pinky, our right middle finger with our left index, and our left middle finger with our right index. I'll put a description below so you know step by step how you're connecting. The thumb sticks out from the hand at 90 degrees, and then tilt the thumbs in towards the sternum, pressing through those fingertips. So the Surabhi Mudra is known to also help detoxify the body. It helps balance hormones, and because it stimulates that third chakra, it's known to help invite self-empowerment and self-confidence. And quite frankly, if you practice this posture, you're going to build self-confidence because it's really fun to do, and you're linking the body. We're creating an energy flow through the body by connecting the fingertips in this pattern. So now what we do is we soften our shoulders, soften our thoughts, soften our gaze, and we invite that deep, big, full belly breath. So fill the belly, fill the chest, fill the rib cage, and slowly let that seep out. And just repeat that, remembering one conscious breath is all it takes to bring awareness to the body and to bring you present and to invite some meditation into your day. So I hope you enjoy this mini Mawvelous Mudra and have a marvelous day.